Good morning class, myself Sunil Kumar, your maths teacher. Today I am explaining class 6 maths chapter 3 part 4. In the previous part 3, we should discuss about the LCM, prime factorization method and division method. Now it's a HCF. HCF, that means highest common factor. Highest common factor. And LCM equal to lowest common multiple. In the LCM, if you have any word problems, must be write least number, smallest number. It identify to find the LCM. In the HCF, if you have word problems, it has given largest number, so we can find HCF. Now, it's a prime factorization method. So 2 times 36, 2 times 18, 2 times 9 and 3 into 3. 2 times 60, 2 times 30, 2 times 15 and 3 into 5. 2 times here 9, 96, 96, 2 times 48, 2 times 24, 2 times 12, 2 times 6, 2 times 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, 192. Okay? So, in the HCF, common factors are present in every 3 numbers. So, this, and this. Rest are not used in the HCF, so that HCF of 72, 120, 192 equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 into 3. That means 24. That's your answer. In the division method, which is the smallest number is this. So this number as a divisor and next greatest is 120, it is dividend. 1 times 72, 8, 48. 72, 1 times 48, 4, 2, 24, 48. 2 times 48 is completely divided. Now 24 as a divisor and the largest number is 192. So it's a 24. That means 8. 4 is 32, 3. 8 to the 16 or 3, 192. When every number is completely divided, then the last divisor is called HCF barabar 24. This is the division method, second method. Now, on the LCM and HCF, some formulas are also represented here. Formula, product of 2 numbers. When we find the HCF or LCM of 2 numbers, then product of 2 numbers equal to product of HCF and LCM. When we find LCM, we got right here product of 2 numbers by HCF. When we find HCF, product of 2 numbers by LCM. One number, in the product of 2 numbers, one number to find HCF and LCM by other number. It should be given in your questions. Other number, HCF into LCM by one number. On the basis of this formula, one questions here given and we can solve it here. LCM equal to 13, HCF equal to 1989, one number equal to 109, so that other number equal to other numbers formula is this. So we can use here HCF into LCM or by one number. What is the HCF? 1989 into LCM 13, one number 119, 13 table 9 times, sorry, it's not 19, it's a 17, sorry. It's a 17, so it's 13, 9 times, 9 table, 2, 2, 1. You got your answer. In this way you can solve complete chapter of 3, all exercises you can solve it. If you have any problem, you must contact on my number 9934085637. It's my WhatsApp number. You have any problem, just click the questions of your exercises and send to me. I will solve it and again send to your WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.